What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Speck Presidio Sport case for the iPhone X. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So we got one last Presidio case for you guys today, and this one here is Speck's Sport Edition, which is geared for those of you who do a lot of exercise, running, or have a really active lifestyle, and looking for a case that complements that. This color here is like a purplish magenta color, but of course it is available in a few other colors for those of you who aren't a fan of pink. Anyways, to pop this open, you just lift the cover, and that is it. You can see the first and only thing that we get here is the case. Now the Presidio Sport is a little bit different than your traditional Presidio case, as it is a little bit thicker and has a few extra protective features. To install your iPhone into the case, it's pretty simple. You should go button side first, and just pops in place. So taking a quick overview of this case, first off, it is compatible with my edge-to-edge glass screen protector, so I'm really happy about that. The case does wrap around the entire border of the phone, and you can see just lips just above the glass screen. You have covers for the power button, volume rockers, and you still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, although they're a little bit tad stiff. And you also have this unique cover for the vibrate and ringer switch. You just twist it left and right, and it triggers the switch on and off. On the bottom, you have grilled cutouts to match the perforations on the grill for the stereo speakers and mic. And a unique feature for the Presidio Sport case is a protective cover for the lightning port. Lastly, on the back side, you have the Speck logo on the top corner, a cutout for the dual camera flash and microphone with a blacked out border to prevent any flash issues. And the entire back has this rubberized material which helps give you a good amount of grip for the case, and also this really smooth textured finish. This coating here is actually a feature of this case called microband. This third layer of protection essentially protects your case against hostile bacteria growth. And it's thanks to this layer, in addition to the beefed up protection around the case, that makes this case a really good addition for those of you with an active lifestyle. Overall guys, the first impressions on the Speck Presidio Sport case for the iPhone X is fairly positive. It's a great choice for those of you who are looking for a little bit more protection on top of the original Presidio line, or for those of you with an active lifestyle. The purpose of that antibacterial coating that's on the back of the case is for those of you who like to go running or going to the gym, exercising. It keeps all the sweat and stuff from accumulating on the case and prevents bacteria growth. It's still a protective case rated at 10 feet of drop protection, just like the original Presidio case, but on top of that you get that extra layer of protection in addition to covers for your ports like the lightning and vibrate switch. The fit and finish of this case is really spot on, and I'm really digging this rubberized coating on the back here that adds a great amount of grip to holding this case, which some other cases don't really do well on. The attention to detail in this case is also really nice. I like how Speck has kind of matched the perforations on the case here to the same little holes or grills on the speaker and microphone here to add that little extra detail that Speck is known for. In terms of any cons or things that I don't like about this case, I probably will say that if you sport blue jeans or something and you're using the lighter color case like this magenta one here or anything other than black, you'll likely notice some color rubbing off on this case because it is a rubberized coating, and from my past experience with those coatings is that lighter colors generally attract dirt and stuff in addition to blue dyes from jeans. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a case to match your active lifestyle, you definitely can't go wrong with the Speck Presidio Sport case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask right in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.